Any person who is considering getting into crypto or expanding their crypto footprint should understand the underlying technology. While watching videos talking about green candles and forecasts may make you feel good about your choices, there are other critical items to consider. How a crypto approaches the blockchain trilemma is a major component to consider. In order to talk about why Polkadot, we must first quickly discuss its origin. The idea of Polkadot was originally developed by Dr. Gavin Wood, co-founder of Ethereum. Dr. Wood originated the idea for Polkadot in 2016, while waiting for a new Ethereum specification that would include sharding.
Sharding is a solution to the problem of blockchain scalability. Thanks to blockchain sharding, we are witnessing the birth of a blockchain metropolitan called Polkadot. Polkadot is a network of shards called Parachains organized around a main network called the relay chain. Similar to skyscrapers and business buildings, Parachains create commerce and activity in Polkadot City. Each parachain building provides unique services to city dwellers. Each building can easily collaborate and combine their power with other buildings to create more advanced and useful services. If a parachain needs to upgrade its building, the city and other buildings are uninterrupted and do not have to contort to the change thanks to Forkless Upgrades.
If you have been around the block in the crypto world, you are likely familiar with the term hard fork. For those new to the crypto game, a hard fork is a radical change to a network's protocol that makes previously invalid blocks and transactions valid, or vice versa. A hard fork requires all nodes or users to upgrade to the latest version of the protocol software. Hard forking is common in the blockchain space to add code for feature updates, but it is also used to resolve bugs and critical issues. Hard forks can be onerous and very political. An example of hard forking is Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. Now that we have defined hard forking, you don't have to worry about it anymore, because Polkadot executes forkless upgrades. What are forkless upgrades? In technical terms, forkless upgrades are made possible because the runtime, also referred to as a blockchain's business logic, is stored on the Polkadot blockchain itself and not encoded in the nodes. Translation: Polkadot is future-proof as necessary changes are continuously made without hard forking or ceasing operations. So when new technology is born, Polkadot can be easily upgraded to include the new innovations and use cases. What allows developers to build so freely? What's the catch? Well, there is no catch. Magic comes from the shared security approach Polkadot offers its developers. Polkadot lets its connected blockchains, aka parachains, pool their security. This is a unique value proposition in the blockchain world, aka one of the top reasons organizations choose Polkadot to launch their blockchains and dApps. Traditional proof-of-work chains, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, must bootstrap their own security. With Polkadot, the relay chain metaphorically lends its weight and security to its connected parachains, allowing developers to focus on decentralization, customization, and scalability. So in its essence, parachains on Polkadot are completely customizable without having to sacrifice performance or security. The relay chain abstracts security from the blockchain trilemma, or parachains. It is very risky to launch a new blockchain as it can be attacked and corrupted in various ways. Every blockchain that launches on Polkadot is shielded by the weight of the entire ecosystem. To conclude part 1 of this video, our final feature to discuss is governance. Basically, all governance is ultimately a social construct, comprising not simply laws or bylaws, but also norms, culture, institutions, and individuals. This is no different in the blockchain world. Governance is not the most sexy feature of a blockchain, but it's critical to understand how a blockchain is composed and governed. Blockchains must evolve over time, and the mechanism in place to enact changes varies between blockchains. Off-chain governance management, used in Bitcoin and Ethereum, is balanced between different end users, including users, miners, business entities, and other community parties. On-chain governance, Polkadot's governance model, is equivalent to having a direct democracy, where crypto stakeholders can vote and participate in governance. Changes are proposed by the community, for the community, and voted on by the community. Okay everyone, let's quickly summarize why Polkadot. Parachains, aka customized and composable level 1 blockchains. Shared security, Forkless Upgrades, and governance. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will deep dive into why with some of our friends from the Polkadot ecosystem. If you haven't subscribed, please do us a favor and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you get notified about the latest and greatest media. And finally, visit us at talkpolkadot.com. Goodbye for now.